his life. Cut that. Y aquí viene. Big Guns viene de Hawaii. English.
No, he's Hugo Ortiz, my Spanish announce partner.
You're what fucking name you at?
Coming to the ring first, right back from Hawaii, representing money, power, respect. They're accompanied by DJ Cena. Big Guns.
Accompanied by
Referee Sexy. There's Guns.
Who's that in the camo shorts, man?
DJ Cena.
We're live! We're live!
Hugo, what are your feelings towards TJ Cena?
TJ Cena es el más mamabicho aquí.
I forgot what a key means.
I'm your referee for this evening.
And his opponent, formerly of Money, Power, Respect now, the one, the only, Erik Grex.
No.
Erik Grex T. Wilkie.
AKA
Great T!
Great.
He hangs out with Night Mama. Great T! Great T! Great T! Great T! Great T! Great T! Let's see him stand on the ladder, foe.
Yeah, get down.
Lock up! Oh, he's got me the arm wringer into a hammerlock, goes in for the headlock for 23 seconds, goes for a lariat, ducks it, drop kick!
Show him, Guns! You repping this right down the middle, Doc?
Right down the middle, man.
Goes for some strikes, laying him on.
Watch those hands, man. Watch those hands.
Hold the ladder.
Somebody hold that ladder.
Hold it for him, Cena. Let him fall.
That's true.
Oh! Famous are off the ladder. This could be the end already. Great T's going to win it quick and win the world title.
Guns might be a little rusty. He's been in Hawaii.
Did he wrestle for NWA Hawaii?
No, but he did squash Jimmy Snuka in a backyard match.
No shit.
Yeah.
Oh, DDT.
Whoa!
Great T once again being picked up by the Big G.
Aquí viene uno de suplex.
He counters the suplex, go for one of his own.
The G is for bananas.
Wonderful. Strike fest. Great T laying on decent strikes.
No, not really.
They're better than before. Goes to the super kick. Nothing. Twins him around. Goes for a DDT. Oh! Jump swing.
Yeah, come on.
Una DDT de México. Did he just? He missed!
He missed!
Boo. The swiftness of Big Guns knocked him out.
It wasn't that, it was the DDT from before. Great T's already on scrambled brains. He just fell.
His eyes were wide open. He's fine. He hides his face.
Give up?
No.
Give up? Just give up, man. Come on.
Oh!
How does that feel, T?
The weekly ankle injury of Gracie.
1, 2,
Kick up!
3.
He finished him with a vertical suplex.
That's 2, baby. That's 2. That's fucking 2. Man, right here.
2 in a row, man.
2 in a row.
2 vertical suplexes.
That's right, man.
Woo. I'm finishing Rocco with a vertical suplex.
Got to.
Right up next, man. Rocco, you're going down to a vertical. And then Guns, you're gonna let me win the world title. Right?